Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how I prepared this delicacy called African salad, known as Abacha by Igbos. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, for a start, here are all the ingredients I'm going to use for this delicious Abacha, which is called African salad. Yeah. Ndi Igbo kwenu. Yes, so if you're an Igbo person, you should understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, guys. So if you're following me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and if you are my OG returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you so much. So let's dive into the video. Yes guys, let's dive into today's video. Okay guys, as you can see, these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. Next is to pour in hot water inside my oba. Yes, and add a little salt. So I'm going to step it aside and let it to cool down before washing it. Yeah. Next is to pour some hot water inside the abacha. It's dried abacha, so I'm going to be using hot water to make it soft. Yes guys. So after that, I'm going to step it aside. Right now, I'm going to be adding my blended crayfish with my ehuru. Yes guys. And this is my potash. You can also get it in a German store if you are in Europe, in Germany. Yes, this is our potash. Is also used for baking. So I'm going to mix it with water. Yeah, I know that a lot of you don't know that natrum is a baking powder. Yeah, and is also a potash. So next is to add my red oil and start mixing it with the natrum water. Yes, I've already mixed it, as you can see. I'll just be adding the natural water, the potash water, a bit by bit. Yes. Please guys, at this stage, please do not forget to add your ogiri. I actually forgot, and something just take my attention and I forgot to show when I was adding the ogiri. So guys, please take note. Next is to add your chili pepper. You can also use any peppers of your choice, whether fresh pepper or dry pepper, it doesn't matter. Just mix it at this stage. Yes. So next is to add my oba, which I have already skipped when I was washing it. It's already washed and cleaned. For the sake of this video, I decided to skip it. Yes guys. So I'm going to mix everything together. Yeah. So guys, at this stage, I'm going to be adding the abacha. Yeah. At this stage, you're just going to add your onions, but I decided to fry my onions with red oil. It's optional. You must not fry your onions. You can also just add it, but I decided to fry mine just to get another different taste. Yes, this is another method. I will advise you give it a try To be honest guys, this method is not bad at all. It gives it a very nice taste. If you haven't tried this method, just give it a try and come and thank me later. Yeah guys. So next is to add my Maggi seasoning. Yeah, you can use any Maggi seasonings of your choice. Add salt to taste. Next is to add my uziza leaves. You can use any leaves you like. You can also use otazi leaves or garden egg leaves or scent leaves. For this African salad, you can use any leaves of your choice. It doesn't matter. It will also taste nice. Yeah, so continue watching guys. So guys, at this stage I'm just making sure everything is well mixed. Yes, that all the ingredients are married together inside the African salad. You understand what I mean? Yes guys. Okay guys, continue watching. So guys, after mixing, I'm going to test it to check if everything is okay, if the taste is nice. So right now guys, I will be dishing it out, as you can see. Yes. So guys, there will be an end screen that will pop out at the end part of this video. You can also check my other videos. I have a lot of interesting videos on my channel if you are new to my channel. Yes, and feel free to share my videos. It's a way of helping me to grow. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, it will surely go a long way. Okay guys, as you can see, the abacha is already dished out. I'm just garnishing it with some garden egg, onions and fried fish. Yes, you can also enjoy it with more or dry fish. It doesn't matter. And you can also enjoy it again with a glass of wine, juice, beer. If you are in Africa, palm wine will go well. Yes, so oh my goodness, the taste is awesome. The taste is sugary, lekker. So beautiful people, I believe I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Ciao.
Yo.